So when I train people, I train everyone one-to-one or in group classes online. So I've been doing this now for 4.5 years. And at first people thought I was really crazy. Like, how come Lizzie's training online? Because first of all, you can take the trainer with you. You can take me into your gym. You can take me into a motel room. You can take me out in the park, wherever you have Wi-Fi. And I can guide you through a workout and you don't feel alone. Plus you are able to do it correctly. And of course, as everybody knows, I use the RollerSizeR or stroller to help people get fit wherever they are. So online personal training, I used to be A-line, now I'm online. Check out the RollerSizeR Fit Club, and also now I have for stroller size, afitmom.com is where moms can go. They have a baby under the age of 4, and they can also train online. And then, of course, we're starting up certifying instructors again so that we can get out there into our real world and have on-site classes. All right, thank you.